Hello, this is Daniel from Spota Home Valencia, and today I'm going to show you this 3-bedroom apartment in Benimaclet. So here we've got the entrance to the apartment. As you can see, we have the corridor connecting all the rooms. And now, here first on the left there is the bathroom. We've got a toilet, sink with a mirror, and a shower right here. Okay, another view of the bathroom, and we move on to the living room. In the living room part we've got the table with 6 chairs, 2 sofas in front of this big TV. We got this coffee table in the middle, and also this furniture here. As you can see, all the house is exterior with this view. Alright, last look at the living room, and now we go to see the kitchen and the terrace. So here's the kitchen. So as you can see, we can as the landlord is living in this apartment, the kitchen is absolutely fully equipped. So we've got also the oven with gas stoves here, the dishwasher is here, the microwave, and the double sink. There is also the washing machine right here. Yes, and we have, of course, the kitchen is fully equipped. As you can see, everything is in this apartment. Here we've got the big fridge with a freezer, and in the end of the kitchen we've got a terrace, so we can hang our laundry. We're on the first floor, so this is how it looks like. Yes, okay, let's take another look at the kitchen and move on to the bedroom that is going to be for rent, because the rest of the bedrooms are here, and another bathroom, but it's not for rent. So here we've got bedroom number 1, in which we can find the double bed. This bedside table with a drawer, and here the wardrobe with all the drawers here and space here. We've got some shelves also right here, and the view from the window as the house is exterior right here. As you can see, we've got the supermarket right in front of the apartment. Alright, so I really hope you like the apartment. Thank you very much. That was Daniel from Spota Home Valencia, and see you next time.